If you want to use power button to activate Gemini or Google Assistant on OPPO Find X9, then first of all we need to go to settings. Over here in settings we can go to accessibility and convenience, scroll down, and we are looking for power button option. In here we have press and hold the power button, and of course we want to make sure that digital assistant is selected. And if you have multiple different assistants, then you might need to go over here and choose Google as the default digital assistant. Now besides that, what you can also do is of course open, let's say, the Gemini app. So if you go over here, you will need to, well, there's a chance that you will have to tap on or turn on in order to activate it, and then scroll down to choose use Gemini. So now if you press and hold the power button, you will activate the Gemini. And if you want to use Google Assistant instead, then in the Gemini app we can tap on your profile in the upper right corner, scroll down over here, and so you should be able to find switch to Google Assistant. After that we can choose between the Gemini and Google Assistant, of course. So if you want to switch to Google Assistant, we can select it over here and confirm our choice. And now you can press and hold the power button to activate Google Assistant. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.